Hello, kindergarten, and welcome to math today. Your teachers already went over your expectations, so we're going to jump right into what we're doing in math today. All last week, we talked about objects being exactly the same, not exactly the same, and we started sorting. I want you to think of some different ways that we sorted last week. We sorted by shape, we sorted by size, and we sorted by color. We sorted into two groups. Today, we're going to continue to sort, but we're going to be sorting into three groups. So let's find out what our math thinking job is today, and then I'll show you what I need your help with sorting. Today, you're going to leave math being able to make groups of objects that belong. So repeat after me. I can make groups of objects that belong together. When we group objects that belong together, that means they go together. We would use them together. Just like we helped Mr. Bear find that a spoon goes with a bowl, they go together. So today, we are going to be sorting in three groups, and I need your help to sort things that belong together on different kinds of type of weathered days. What are we looking at? Your teacher may pause the video and talk to you about what you see on the screen. You probably said you see a sun, a raindrop, and a snowflake, and you're right. That means we're sorting how? What way are we sorting today? Who thinks they know? Your teacher might look out and see a hand and might pause the video and call on you if you think you know how we might be sorting our objects today. We're going to be sorting by different types of weather. So we're going to be sorting objects that we use on a sunny day, a rainy day, and a snowy day. So let's look at the objects that we have to sort. These are the objects that we're going to sort into three groups today. We have a scarf, a rain jacket, mittens, a popsicle, a shovel, a winter hat, a mug of hot cocoa, bathing suits, a big floppy hat, ice skates, umbrella, a rain hat, a bucket, a puddle, rain boots, sunglasses, and flip-flops. I want you to start thinking, how would you sort these objects? What would you use on a sunny day? What would you use on a rainy day? What would you use on a snowy day? Your teacher's going to pause the video and look out to see who has their hands up to answer that question. Where do they belong? Okay, I've made a chart of where we're going to sort our objects. We have the sunny day, we have the rainy day, and we have the snowy day. I have all my objects down here. So I have my objects so we can go through what we're going to sort. Are you ready? We're going to start with my big pink floppy hat. Think about what type of day would I use my big floppy hat? When would I use my big pink floppy hat? Did you say sunny? You're right. We use the big pink floppy hat on a sunny day as it keeps the sun out of my eyes and it protects my head from the sun because it gets hot. And it's not good to get too much sun. All right, now we're going to sort the puddle. I'm going to sort the puddle. Where would the puddle be sorted? Where would the puddle be sorted? What do you need to make puddles? That's your hint. Yes, on a rainy day. You need rain to make puddles. All right, we're now going to sort my pail. My pail. Where would we sort the pail? Where would we sort the pail? A sunny day, a rainy day, or a snowy day? Yeah, we sorted it on a sunny day. There's also another day you could use a pail on, maybe a snowy day. However, I like to use this pail on a sunny day. Maybe when I go to the beach and play in the sand. We're going to sort my scarf. When would we use a scarf? When would we use a scarf? Yes. We use it on a snowy day to keep us nice and warm. All right, the next one we're going to do is the rain hat. The rain hat. There are a lot of hats that I had to sort. This is a rain hat. I wonder when I will use the rain hat. I use it on a rainy day to keep the rain out of my eyes and off my head, right? All right, let's look at my flip-flops. If you've ever worn flip-flops, you know that your toes and your feet are open, they're exposed. What's the best day to wear flip-flops? On a sunny day. If you wore them on a rainy day and a snowy day, what would happen? They'd get wet and they would get cold, and we don't want that. All right, let's look at the mug of hot cocoa. When would you drink a mug of hot cocoa? Hot cocoa. Do you like hot cocoa? If you like hot cocoa, you know that hot cocoa is hot, and it's best to drink on a snowy day because it's cold outside. We're going to do the bathing suit right here. What day would we wear a bathing suit on? Sunny, rainy, or snowy? Yep, on a sunny day. Go swimming in a pool or at the beach, or maybe just play in the sprinkler. Let's do our rain boots. What kind of day would we use rain boots for? What kind of day would we use rain boots for? Yep, on a rainy day to play in those puddles. Let's do the shovel. How will we sort the shovel? Where does the shovel belong? Where does the shovel belong? It belongs on a snowy day to shovel the snow away. Let's do the popsicle. Where should we sort the popsicle? Where does the popsicle belong? Where does the popsicle belong? I like to eat popsicles on a sunny day as it's hot outside on a sunny day and popsicles cool me down. Umbrella. Raise your hand if you've ever used an umbrella. If your hand is up, you should know what type of day you would use an umbrella on. Where does it belong? On a rainy day because we want to keep the rain away. Let's do sunglasses. If you've ever worn sunglasses, you know sunglasses are best to be worn on what type of day? Where do sunglasses belong? On a sunny day to keep the sun out of your eyes. Ice skates. Have you ever ice skated before? Have you ever seen someone ice skate? If you've gone ice skating or seen ice skating, you know that you use ice skates on a snowy day because it's cold and there's ice. Let's look at our rain jacket. I wonder when I would wear a rain jacket. When would I wear a rain jacket? On a rainy day, of course. Let's do our winter hat. What type of day does a winter hat belong on? Where does the winter hat belong? On a snowy day with our mittens so we can keep our head and our hands warm. Wow, thanks so much for helping me sort those objects. Now I want to see how many objects I have for each day. How many do I have for a snowy day? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 objects belong on a snowy day. I'm going to draw the number 6. I have 5 objects on a rainy day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your teacher's going to pause the video and you guys are going to count how many objects belong on a sunny day. How many objects belong on a sunny day? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6. I counted my bathing suits together because sometimes I wear these shorts with this bathing suit. I have 6 objects that I use on a sunny day. I'm going to write the number 6. Wow. Thanks for helping me sort these, and now I know exactly what belong on a sunny day, belong on a rainy day, and belong on a snowy day. Now it's your turn. In a moment, your teacher is going to pause the video and ask you what doesn't belong and how many are left. We have a baseball helmet, a baseball bat, a basketball, and a baseball. What doesn't belong and how many are left? Did you say the basketball? You're right. The basketball does not belong with a helmet, a baseball bat, and a baseball. How many do we have left? 1, 2, 3. Did you say 3? We have 3 objects left. 3 objects belong together. In a moment, your teacher is going to pause the video and ask you what doesn't belong and how many are left. We have a hoop, a basketball, a hockey stick and puck, and a baseball. What doesn't belong and how many are left? Did you say the hockey stick and the puck and the baseball? You're right. There's 2 objects that don't belong because we know we use a basketball with a basketball hoop. How many objects are left? 1, 2. 2 objects are left. 2 objects belong together. What doesn't belong together and how many are left? A helmet, a football, a field, baseball bat, soccer ball and goal, and football cleats. Your teacher's going to pause the video and talk to you about what objects don't belong and how many are left. Did you say the basketball, the baseball bat, and the soccer goal and ball don't belong? You're right. That means we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 objects are left. 4 objects belong together. For your exit ticket today, you have 2 pages. Remember, you can access your 2 pages on the right side of the screen in Seesaw. Each page will have directions. Your first page, you're going to be dragging objects to where they belong. They either belong at the library, the school, or the grocery store. Then you're going to write how many objects are in the group. On the second page, you're going to be drawing a line to show where each thing belongs. Don't forget to click the green check when you're done.